Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US venture capital funding surged to $55.6 billion in the second quarter, marking the highest quarterly total in 2 years. The latest figure shows a 47% jump from the $37.8 billion US startups raised in the first quarter, largely driven by significant investments in AI companies, including $6 billion raised by Elon Musk's xAI. World equities rose while the US dollar fell following soft labor market data that buoyed investor expectations of Fed rate cuts later this year. US Labor Department data showed that initial claims for unemployment rose 238,000 the previous week, slightly above expectations and indicating a softening in labor market conditions. Marathon Digital Holdings, the world's largest Bitcoin mining firm, has not sold any of its Bitcoin holdings during the past month. Despite Bitcoin being in a downtrend for over a month, Marathon Digital chose to hold on to all its Bitcoin.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's monetary base will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 2350 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 130 GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT. Australia's imports at 130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.